Struggling to find where to change your profile picture on Whop? Learn the exact clicks to update it in under 60 seconds. I'll walk you through the 9 simple steps from home to a new profile picture. Let's start at the home screen. Start by going to the home page. Then, click on your profile icon. Now, select View Profile to see your current profile. Next, click on Edit Profile to make changes. Click your profile picture and choose a new image from your computer. Once you've selected it, hit Save to apply the change. To check that it updated, click on your profile icon. Then, click on the profile icon again. And you're all set! Your new picture is live. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.